Good morning. My name is Dr. Deepika. Today I'll be discussing about an important concept of accounting, that is preparation of trial balance. Before that, I will just discuss a basic definition of trial balance. What do you mean by trial balance? Trial balance is a report that lists the balance of all the general ledger accounts of the company at a certain point of time. The account reflect on the trial balance are related to all major accounting items including assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, expenses, gain and losses. Basically, trial balance is a statement that keeps a record on the final ledger balance of all the accounts of the business. It is the list of debit and credit balance taken out from the ledger. It includes the balance of cash and bank taken from the cash book. Trial balance include basically two columns, debit column and credit column, and it is prepared at the end of the year. The basic objective of trial balance. There are few important objectives why the company is preparing the trial balance. The main objective is to assure the arithmetical accuracy of the business transaction. This is the main objective of the trial balance. Other than this, we have n number of objectives why the company is preparing the trial balance. Number 1, it summarizes the ledger account. Ledger accounts are made to record all the transactions related to the asset, liabilities, expenses and income of the business with the help of journal. Firstly, journal is prepared and the data from the journal is posted to the ledger account, and from the ledger account the data are shifted to the debit side and credit side of the trial balance. It is transferred in the debit and credit side of the trial balance respectively. This is the first objective of trial balance. Second objective, it helps in determining the arithmetic accuracy of the ledger account. The main aim of the trial balance is to check if the ledger posting are done in an accurate manner or in a correct manner. This can be assessed using the balance of both debit balance and credit side equals. It means trial balance, how we can check the accuracy of trial balance. If the debit side of the trial balance and the credit side of the trial balance are same, it means the ledger posting is accurate, it is correct. Third objective of trial balance is it guide in preparing final account. For every businessman, it is important to know the financial health of the business. This can be ascertained by preparing the financial account, that is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So there comes the role of trial balance. Once all the journal entry have been passed, ledger posting have been recorded and trial balance matches, then all the financial accounts are prepared based on the balance of trial balance. So we prepare trading account, we prepare profit and loss account, we prepare the balance sheet, which is known as this three account combines together and it forms the final account. It is prepared based on the trial balance. Next objective is it helps in allocating the error. It is very important we check the accuracy of the account of the ledger based on trial balance. So it helps in allocating the error. It is important for the trial balance to tally, but it is, if it doesn't tally, it means there are some kind of error in the book of account. Next, these are some of the objectives. Now I'll discuss one example how to prepare a trial balance. We are having a balance of a company, Ram company. This is the balance name, opening stock, furniture, purchases, machinery, purchase return, debtors, sale, creditors, sales return, bills receivable, drawings, and these are the amount in the second column. Next, rent, bills payable, salary, cash, advertisement, bank overdraft, commission receive, interest on bank overdraft, discount and capital, and these are the amount on the next column. Or this is the example, and based on this example we will prepare our trial balance. This is what you can see in the screen. This is the pro forma of trial balance. First of all, in the top we need to write the name of the company. Second, trial balance. Third, the date. In this question we are having the date as on 31st March 2022. So this is the date, and in this date we are preparing a trial balance. First column is of particular, second column is of LF, that is ledger folio. Third column, it is the column of debit balance. All the debit balance should be posted, should be recorded in this column. And the fourth column is credit balance column. All the amount, credit amount will be recorded in this balance. So this is the pro forma. Firstly, we'll start with opening stock. Opening stock shows debit balance. So in the debit side we will post 20,000. Next, furniture. Furniture is an asset. Asset increase in the asset shows debit balance. So we will put the amount 6,000 in the debit side. Third is purchases. Purchases shows debit balance. So we'll put 85,000 in the debit side. Fourth is machinery. Machinery shows debit balance, so we will put 62,000 in the debit side. Next, purchase return. Purchase return shows credit balance, so we will put 5,000 in the credit side. Next, debtor. Debtor shows debit balance, so 36,000 will be put in the debit column. Next, sales. Sales account shows credit balance, so 1,60,000 will be posted in the credit side. Next, creditor. Creditor shows credit balance because it is a liability. Liability always shows credit balance. Increase in liability shows credit balance. So 12,750 will be posted here. Next, sales return is a debit balance, so 6,200 will be posted here. Bills receivable debit balance. Drawing debit balance. Rent is it is expense for the company, so it is a debit balance. Bills payable, credit balance. Salary, debit balance, it is expense. Cash is a asset, debit balance. Advertisement is a expense, so debit balance. Commission receive, interest, discount and capital. So in this way we make a trial balance, and at the end we can see the total. Debit balance and credit balance is same, 2,42,400, 2,42,400. So it means our trial balance is accurate, our ledger account is accurate. Both the balance should be tally. So this is the way how to calculate the trial balance, and based on these trial balance we will prepare the final account of the company. Thank you so much.